Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to deactivate Moonpay account. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Moonpay application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Moonpay if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the top side of the screen, as you can see, we have the buy, sell, and swap. We also have the Moonpay account, popular tokens, and in the top right corner, we have the notifications, default currency, theme, support, themes and privacy, delete your account, and the logout option. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and deactivate Moonpay account. So it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps that I'll be showing you now. So when you're on the main screen of the application, you need to go and click on the top right corner of the app on this wheel here. And here, as you can see, we have those options. And in the bottom, before logout, we have delete my account. You need to go and click on delete my account. Sure, you want to delete your account. This can't be undone. Any assets held in your Moonpay account will be lost. So if you're holding assets in your Moonpay account, please send them to another wallet first or export your keys before continuing. If you agree with everything, click on delete. Then, of course, allow them to, of course, put your password. And of course, you can go then and delete the application. If you want to dismiss, you can dismiss the deleting of the application. And if you want to delete it, of course, this is that. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. That will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.